I wasn't setting out to be an inventor. I just wanted to create a docking station for my iPhone. And I couldn't find one on the market, so I had to make my own. And now, over 4 years later, I'm proud to introduce to you BASE7, the first iPhone case-compatible car docking station. BASE7 is compatible with iPhone 6 through 7 and was designed to guide your smartphone into place and charge it when docked. To be case compatible and have a minimalist design. To provide portrait and landscape viewing options. And overhanging positioning. And to be mountable to curved surfaces. The base docking station was initially developed for the car, but has proven to be useful in other environments. I use BASE7 daily at my desk for one-hand texting. It's also useful on a bedstand where you can charge it at night and also set your alarm. At the time, I didn't realize that they didn't make a lot of docking stations for cars. Now, the difference between a docking station and a holder is a docking station charges your phone. And I didn't see that product on the market.